Nilaman pa ba ito? Wala. So, tara na! So, unbox natin ito gamit ang color cutter. So, let's go. First is this one. So, let's unbox it. What is this, guys? Look. Ano siyang papel? I don't know. So, this pala yung laman. Like, ang very liit na. Ganito pala siya sa person. Yeah, cute niya. Cute. And, next naman is ito. Tara. Sa pingit. Oh my god. And ito naman yung Isabel. Like that. It's her clip din. And it is color pink. Like ganito. Pero maliit na version to be. Look at that. It's very, very nice. Isabel siya. Like that. Pink and white. And that's it. And yun lang muna ang ating in-unbox ngayon. See you guys in my next video vlog. Bye-bye. Please like and subscribe on my YouTube channel. Bye-bye.